Experiencing Outlook crashes on Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for quick solutions to ensure your email and productivity tools operate seamlessly on your system. Exit the Microsoft Outlook app, then launch Run by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, and type in Outlook Safe, and click the OK button. Now, go to the File section, followed by Options, and click on the Add-ins button. Select the COM Add-ins option, and click on the Go button. Click OK to clear all the checkboxes and restart Outlook. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app, then go to Apps, followed by Apps and Features. Once you are inside the Apps and Features window, search for Office in the search bar, then click on the three-dot menu next to it, followed by Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the Reset section, then click on the Repair button. Scroll down until you reach the Reset area, and then click on the Reset button to restart the process. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app and navigate to System in the left panel, followed by Troubleshoot from the right side. Once you have entered the Troubleshoot menu, select the Other Troubleshooters option from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down until you come across the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and click the Run button next to it to start the process. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings window and click on Apps followed by Apps and Features. Once you're inside the Apps and Features window, search for the Office app by typing it in the search bar and click on the three-dot menu, followed by the Uninstall button. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.